Hello everyone. In this lecture series, our next topic is note making using linear method. The topic itself it tells the linear method, how to use the linear method to make notes. Okay, and let's recall, what do you do when you want to remember important details? What do you do? See, what I do, I started taking notes. I started taking tips. I started noting down all the points wherever it is possible. Okay, because this is a way you can remember all the points. Okay, sometimes when we listen lectures, when we listen some conferences, when we attend the workshops, okay, it shows that you are understanding everything, but once you come out from that arena, you may forget everything. That's why what you have to do, immediately you start taking notes. You start taking notes, it seems like you just make it short notes. Okay, just understand the just give bullet points and understand the ideas. Okay, just start taking notes. Okay, and what are the topics for discussion here? It is what is note making, what are the features of linear method, and purpose and benefits. Okay, and let's explore what is note making. Note making is the art of being able to abstract the relevant ideas. Okay, abstract the relevant ideas. Here it is, you have to fix the title of that passage. Okay, and also you have to note down all the sub points, okay, and sub points while going through all the informations, while going through all study materials, or when we about to read some reports, or from something, some reading materials. Okay, you have to recollect all the relevant ideas and relevant points. Okay, because it's note making is an art. Okay, what you have to do, you have to imbibe the ability. Okay, and why note making matters a lot, because you all know, even for school children and college going students, they still ought to remember the long lessons, and also they can't overload their brain with excess informations, because these textbooks contain excess information. Okay, escaping from this, what you have to do, you have to start taking notes, right? Okay, so in this defined part, you have to take a short, clear and organized form for easy understanding and quick revision. So in this note making, the process is, first you have to fix the title for the passage. Then you have to fix the subtitles for each and every paragraph. From that subtitles, you have to give numbering for sub points. Okay, after that, just read by yourself whether it is clearly giving all the informations, because the person who's reading your note making, they can create a passage with your notes. Okay, make sure. And in this defined part, what you have to do, as soon as you read the passage, you have to give the main title for the passage, and also give sub points, sub points, and these parts, these information should make a person to write an article. Okay, so so these are the ideas where we use while preparing our exam, right? Even everyday unit test, everyday daily test, wherever it is. Okay, you just remember the main points and also the sub points, and also while listening the lecture notes. Okay, because the teacher who's teaching can give additional information for that particular topic. What you have to do, you have to remember everything and start taking notes, right? And the same thing, if it is conference or seminars, they may give you some additional informations. They may give some reference books, they may give some reference pages. Okay, you have to collect all the informations. You start taking notes. Okay, note, we already told you the note making is an art, right? You just use that. Yes, and here I've given some curiosity challenge. Okay, what you have to do, you have to read a short passage given by the teacher, or you can take a short passage from your novel, or take a short passage from the newspaper. Okay, as soon as you read the passage, you take a main idea and start preparing linear notes using headings and subpoints. Okay, and here what you have to do, any one lesson from your textbooks you have to prepare. Okay, minimum 2 main headings, use bullet points, and your presentation should look neat and clear, right? And here I've given some references for your future future study for the particular topic. Yes, thank you.